Hey, what's up guys? Spencer here from For the Low, and today I'm coming at you with a Sony 5-disc DVD player. It has a HDMI out port, so it's perfect for an HDMI TV. The model number of it is DVP-NC85H. But before we get into it, real quick, fun fact for you, did you know that the best-selling DVD of all time was Finding Nemo? It sold 38,800,000 copies. You probably own one of them, but that said, let's get into this. You could get a couple different colors. You got black or silver, but on the rear panel here, we'll talk about that first. On the rear panel here, you've got a few different options to hook it up. You've got HDMI output, which would be the best, and it's actually a one-wire hookup for audio and video. And then right here you've got component video, S-video, or composite video. And then for audio, you've got optical, digital, or standard analog right and left audio. So now we're gonna get it all plugged in. We're gonna connect it using the HDMI cable. Alright, so as long as you're on the right input, you should get a signal to your TV just fine. And then you can go ahead and insert a DVD. You can load up to 5 discs into it at once. And then on the front panel, you've got your basic functions. You've got your power button, disc select buttons, play, stop, backwards, forwards, your eject button, and then you've also got an exchange button. That button will allow you to change 4 discs while one continues to play. As you can see on the screen, the disc in the tray is playing right now. And then with the remote, you've got all your functions on it. You've got your disc skip button, your menu buttons, your play button, all your standard functions. You've got fast play as well if you want to play it a little faster. And then you've got an eject button and your power button, as well as a few other buttons. But that's pretty much all there is to this device. Mainly it's got the HDMI output, so it makes it good to use with a newer TV if you don't have any other option. But if you want to purchase one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.